Alright, we switched gears and we're going to start working on this O2 sensor. It's right here. Come here so you can see it. The O2 sensor is right here. It's really hard to get to. First thing I'm going to do is try heating it up. So I don't catch anything on fire like that CV joint boot right above it. I'm going to get some heat on it. There we go. Sure that's going the right way. See, it's in a bad spot. We'll see if I can get it. Oh, there. I got it broke loose. Whew. That's the hard part. That's what you need right here. This is a Harbor Freight oxygen sensor removal tool. Comes in a set, different ones. This is basically the set right here. Come over here. Oxygen sensor thread set. So it has these taps to re-tap out the threads if the threads are bad. It's a pretty nice set. Harbor Freight, baby. These oxygen sensors are 22 millimeter or 7/8. Just for reference, there's a big chunk of grease. That's nice. There we go. There we go. That's getting it. See how this head manipulates. Switched here. Tight spot to get that O2 sensor out. But it can be done if you don't get mad at it. Take your time. And if you have the right tools. Now we can get it by hand. There it is. CO2 sensor. It's that easy.